In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer laser images to Polymer Clay in under 2 minutes. Hi, I'm Mihaela from Learn Polymer Clay, and let's dive in. I recommend using white Polymer Clay or light colors of Polymer Clay, and you'll have to print your images on a laser printer for beautiful image transfers. You will have to use scissors and trim off the excess paper, but keep in mind that you will have to keep a white margin so that it will be easier for you to grab the image after the image transfer. And then you'll have to apply a generous amount of rubbing alcohol, and it is very important to really apply a generous and abundant amount of rubbing alcohol, because this is the secret for perfect image transfers. I'm using the fingers of my left hand to keep the paper in place while I'm tapping for 1-2 seconds on top of the image, and then you'll just have to use your roller and roll on top of the clay, on top of the entire paper, and you'll have to count until 60 to 80, but don't rush the counting process. And then you'll just have to grab the margin of the paper and take it off, and you will end up with a very beautiful image transfer. And of course you can combine this technique with other polymer clay techniques to make beautiful clay designs. Occasionally you notice paper fibers in small areas on top of your image transfer. You'll just have to use a little bit of water and gently rub them off with your fingers. And then you'll have to use cutters or the freehand method and cut out your beads. Bake them for 45 minutes in the preheated oven at the temperature recommended by the polymer clay manufacturer, and use varnish or resin to protect the image transfer. And here is a step-by-step tutorial showing you how you can make faux ceramic, faux Sicilian inspired ceramic pieces for your jewelry designs.